Hello everyone, welcome to yet another lesson. Today we have to solve a question from BECE 2024. That is the question number 3C. Okay, the question reads, if 15% of the length of a rope is 720 meters, find half of the length of the rope. So the first question you should ask yourself is, what is the length of the rope, which is not known? So we have to find that one first. So let's do that. So solution. So length of rope which is not known. So let's say it is what? Y. So the length of the rope is Y. And I said the question says 15% of the length. So 15% of that's multiplying the length of the rope, which is Y, and that is what? 720 meters. So from here we find the whole of Y. If you find the whole of Y, that will give you the length of the rope. So to find the whole of Y, first of all, change the 15% to a fraction. So to do that, you have 15 over 100, then times Y to equal to 720. So what do you do next? Multiply each side of the equation by 100. That is to eliminate the denominator, which is 100. So multiply 15 over 100 times Y, then multiply by 100, and this will equal to 720 multiplying 100. So 100 will divide 100, 1. Okay, giving 15 times Y to be equal to 720 multiplying 100. Okay, so the next thing to do is to divide each side of the equation by 15. So 15 will divide 15. Then from this side, if we take this and that's 115, you find the highest common factor of the two, and the highest common factor of 115 is 5. So divide each of them by 5. So if you divide 100 by 5, you get 20. Then 15 by 5, you give 3. Again, you take 720, okay, and 3. Find the highest common factor of the two. Then if you do that, highest common factor of 720 and 3 will be 3. So you divide 3 by 3, get 1. Divide 720 by 3, you get 240. Okay, so this means that 100, so our y will equal to 240 multiplying 20. So 2 multiply 24, and that will give you 48. Then you attach the 2 zeros, 1, 2. That means our y will equal to 4,800 meters. So the length of our rope is 4,800 meters. But the question says we should find half. So we take, to answer the question, then you take what? Half of the total length of the rope, which is 4,800. Again, the common factor of what? The highest common factor of 48 and 2 is 2. So divide 48 by 2, get 24. Divide 2 by 2, you get 1. So 1 dividing 1 will give you 1. Multiplying 24, that's 2400. So if you multiply this, you get 2400. That is 2,400 meters. So the answer to the question, find half of the length of the rope, is 2,400 meters. Thank you for watching. At this point, if you are not following me yet, please follow, like, then give a comment at the comment section. That's if you don't understand anything or if you enjoy the lesson. Thank you once again.